All right, hello. Today is Monday, December 7th, and we are just starting the back half of chapter 5. Last class we took the test on the first half, so today we're going to do section 5.6. So we'll have a lesson and then homework on Schoology. A couple things I wanted to point out. One, with the last test, there is a POL if you are interested in retaking it. Also reach out to me and let me know that you're retaking it because I will make a help video going over the questions you got wrong in your first attempt of the test. So I would do that first, watch that video, help fix your mistakes, and then do the POL. And once you're done with the POL, I'll give you access to this answer key so you can check your answers. And then any on the POL you have questions on, I can go through with those with you or make a help video. The other important note for today, you're watching this intro video here, but if you look in the folder, I made 2 surveys, one for students that have been going to the Google Meets. I'm going to ask for those that have to fill out this survey. And then if you have not been attending, I'm going to ask you to fill out this one. I'm just trying to get feedback on how class is going and how I can best serve as your teacher during this pandemic. So they're pretty short surveys, and I very much appreciate the feedback and you taking the time to do them. Right, the rest of the stuff is normal. We got a video lesson, the PDF notes, and then a homework assignment associated with this section. All right, that is all. Have a good day.